Hello friends, today I will show you two tutorials on how to create a shorts video manually and automatically using the CapCut app for Windows and Mac. I will start with first tutorial how to make shorts video manually. Step 1. Click in button Create Project. Step 2. Click in button Import. Step 3. Choose your project and click in button Import. Step 4. Click in button Add to Track. Step 5. Click in button Ratio. Step 6. Select in ratio 9:16. Step 7. Zoom in on your video to the scene you want to appear. Step 8. Click in button Export to save your shorts video. Now your video shorts is created successfully. Click in button Export. Now your video shorts is created successfully. Now I start with second tutorial how to make shorts video automatically. Step 1. Click in button Long Video to Shorts. Wait a minute to loaded interface. Step 2. Click in button Drag and Drop File here. Step 3. Select your video to change to Shorts video. Step 4. Select your duration for your shorts. Step 5. Click in button Convert. Wait a minute to loaded interface. Step 6. CapCut start created your shorts video. Wait a 2 minute because CapCut app take a time to creating your shorts video. Step 7. After finish CapCut app, click in button Export to save your shorts video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to watch more.